How to create neon glass effect in Figma. Step 1. Create a square or any other shape you want to apply the effect like this. Step 2. Set the fill opacity to 1% and apply a background blur value 40%. Step 3. Apply 6 inner shadows as I show. First inner shadow. Blur is 12, W6, color is white, 40% opacity. Inner shadow 2. Color code is 030E46, 10% opacity. Blur is 40, W is minus 40. Inner shadow 3. Color is 030E46, 24%. Blur is 18, W is minus 6. Inner shadow 4. Color is 030E46, 24% opacity. Blur is 6, W is minus 3. Inner shadow 5. Color is 030E46, 24% opacity. Blur is 40, W is 40. Inner shadow 6. Color is 030E46. Blur is 1, W is 2, 80% opacity. And that's it. Hope you like it and see you next time. Bye.